Hello friends, you are watching World Discovery iFry. Do you know that there is a mountain in the world where jinn reside? And do you know that there is a mountain in Germany whose cave makes people disappear? Plus, have you ever seen a real mountain of gold? Well, in today's video, I am going to tell you about the world's most unusual mountains. So let's start our countdown. Kapalakaya. Friends, the mountain you see here is one of the most mysterious places you have ever seen. This place is located in the Çorum province of Turkey. Its uniqueness lies in the fact that there is a tomb built inside this mountain, hidden in a cave. According to experts, it was constructed by the Greeks in the 2nd century. The most unique and mysterious thing about this mountain is its entrance. A stone door is fixed at the front. Now you might be wondering how such a heavy stone door opens. Well, the door doesn't actually open. To enter this tomb, a person has to pass through a small hole above the door. This hole is about 3 feet high and so small that a single person can barely feed through. Not only that, but there are some alphabets written at the entrance of the cave which read IKJDIOS. However, no one knows the meaning of these mysterious words. Some believe it is the name of the Greek commander buried in his tomb. Once a person passes through this hole, they encounter a long and narrow passageway leading to a cave, where the tomb is located. The path is so mysterious that it feels like a scene from an adventure movie. No one knows why this person's body was buried in such a secretive place. Interestingly, there is no restriction on visiting this place, so anyone can explore it whenever they want. Anyway, this place is indeed very mysterious. Congo Mountain. Friends, although Congo is one of the few countries in the world rich in natural resources, in March 2021, a small village in Congo made a discovery that will amaze you. Well, the workers of this village were digging a mountain one day when they suddenly found some yellow stones. These yellow stones were clearly visible and shining, despite being mixed with other rocks and soil. The workers collected these yellow stones and had them checked, and they turned out to be pure gold. The next day, all the villagers went to the mountain with their shovels and tools and started searching for gold. You won't believe that wherever they dug, they found gold. They would sift it from the other stones. This continued for several days, and the villagers kept extracting gold from this mountain. But then, the Congolese government got wind of it and sealed the entire mountain, prohibiting any local person from coming to the site. Amazingly, between 2,500 to 3,000 tons of gold are extracted from this mountain every year, yet it never depletes. Well, the reality is that this mountain is a true gold mountain. This is indeed remarkable. Mount Nyanga. Friends, this mountain you see is located in Zimbabwe. It looks like a common natural place, with nothing unusual about it. But you will be surprised to learn that it is one of the world's most haunted places. It is famous for being inhabited by jinn, who do not let anyone wander around it. Of all the hikers who have attempted to climb this mountain, none have returned. Whoever goes hiking on Mount Nyangani is pushed off the mountain by jinn. Even more strange is that of all the people who have died here, neither their bodies nor any of their belongings have been found. Not even their clothes have been recovered. Locals have named this mountain the Swallowing Mountain because it swallows anyone who comes near. According to local people, they often hear laughing and noise from this mountain. They even see colorful snakes, gold bars, and sometimes even a teapot and stove, but they don't dare to go near these things. Another mysterious feature of this mountain is its unusual weather, which can change at any moment. For instance, the sun could be shining brightly, and suddenly, fog starts to spread everywhere, or in a minute, dark clouds appear, and heavy rain begins. This place is indeed very scary. Unterberg Mountain. Friends, this mountain you see is located in Germany. It appears to be an ordinary hill, but is one of the most mysterious places in the world. The story of this mountain began 37 years ago. In 1987, a group of 3 people went hiking on this mountain. They parked their car at the base and climbed up. After tiring from climbing, they saw a cave and thought of resting inside. Little did they know what was about to happen. These 3 people went inside the cave to rest and disappeared. When they did not return for many days, their families, along with the police and rescue team, searched for them for 3 months but found no trace. Their car was parked at the bottom of the mountain, but there was no sign of them. Finally, after 3 months, they suddenly contacted their families, saying they were safe and had returned. When asked where they had been, they said they had gone into the cave and slept. When they woke up, they found themselves on an island. They didn't know which island it was, and there was no one to help them. They wandered around the island for many days until they saw a ship and took its help to return to Germany. But no one knows how they reached that island. and even the exact location of this cave is unknown. Furthermore, from 2001 to 2008, many hikers entered this cave but never returned. Many believe it is a time-traveling cave that takes people to the past or future, but the real truth remains unknown. Meishan Grottoes. Friends, this mountain is called Meishan Mountain or Magician's Mountain. It is located in the Gansu province of China. This mountain was modified by ancient Chinese between 384 and 417 AD. They carved the mountain with such incredible technique that the entire appearance of the mountain was transformed. At first glance, it looks like someone has piled up large leaves of wheat. This is because the ancient Chinese carved the mountain exactly in the shape of wheat spikes. Another unique feature of Meishan Mountain is that it contains not one or two, but a total of 21 caves. These caves are very unique, with many Chinese Buddha sculptures inside them. It is surprising to know that these caves were carved hundreds of years ago, yet they look as if they were made recently. This place is indeed very unique. So friends, that's all for today.